Hey everybody, it's Lon Seibin. We've got another unboxing of something I know a lot of you were eager for me to check out. This is the Huawei Matebook D. This is a 14-inch laptop that sells for about $630, and what it has inside is an AMD Ryzen processor. So we should see some pretty decent gaming performance out of this one, and it's not a bad-looking laptop either. Not all that heavy. It's got an all-metal design. We're going to have a full review of this coming up soon on my main channel at lon.tv, and you can see the Ryzen logo there. This came in, by the way, on loan from Huawei, so when we're done with the review, it goes back to them. Let's take a look at some of the ports on here, and then we will start our evaluation and get that review up for you in the next couple of days. Right here is a USB Type-C port. We'll check and see if it's a full-service port in the review. You have an HDMI output, what looks like a USB 3 port, I believe, right here. And on the other side, we've got another USB port and a headphone microphone jack, and that is pretty much it. This is not a fanless device, of course, so you will have a system fan running on here. It looks like it's exhausting through the back here and intaking on the bottom. So we'll have a look at that fan noise and its thermal performance coming up shortly as well. It also looks like the keyboard is a backlit keyboard. So that's the computer itself. Nothing too fancy, but if it performs well, that's all you really need, right? So let's take a look and see what else is in the box. Hopefully they gave me a power adapter. It actually looks like they may have forgotten to give me the power adapter in this box. This is a review unit. So thankfully it's all USB-C now, so I should be able to find a way to power it and get it charged up. All right, so let's now pop the hood and see what is inside of it. It's all aluminum here, so a nice metal backing on that. Now, what's neat about this device is that this is powered by one of these AMD Ryzen chips, which means the GPU and the CPU are on the same chip. So there's less components in here than what you would see with something with maybe an MX150 GPU from NVIDIA, for example. So we got the fan and heatsink for that processor GPU combo right here. The wireless card is here. This is the M2 SATA drive that it comes with. This one has 256 gigabytes of M2 storage, but you can replace this with something larger and faster because this port does support NVMe drives in this M2 form factor. So you can upgrade the storage, but you cannot upgrade the RAM. The RAM is soldered on, so you get 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM in dual channel configuration, but it is not upgradable. So you can upgrade the storage basically, and that's about it. But it wasn't very hard to get into this thing. So I'm going to put this back together now, and we're going to have a full review of this coming up very shortly on my main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Too Much Sauce, Gerard Nuberg, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.